Hello friends, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use shortcut easily in Microsoft Word. So first of all, I just added a Word file and I'm adding some text to show how to use shortcut in Microsoft Word file. Okay, so paste the text. Now I'm going to show you how to use shortcut. First of all, select the text. Yes, the text is selected. Now to copy the text, copy the selection, press Ctrl plus C and then press Ctrl plus B to paste the copied data. Yes, it's pasted. Now let's see how to move the selection. First of all, select and then press Ctrl plus X to move the selection and Ctrl plus B to paste the selection. Undo activities. To undo the activities, just press Ctrl plus Z. It's done. Now to save the file, press Ctrl plus S. Yes. Now select the directory, space, and then desktop. Name the file. File name is Albert Einstein and file type is docs. Click on save. The file is saved successfully. Now you can see Albert Einstein docs file is saved in the desktop. Okay, now to bold and unbold the selection, press Ctrl plus B. First of all, select and then press Ctrl plus B to bold, and to unbold again press Ctrl plus B. Okay, it's done. Now to make the smaller and bigger of the selection, press Ctrl plus second bracket, starting second bracket to smaller and closing second bracket to bigger. Okay, it's done. Now to make selection italic, press Ctrl plus I. Select the text and press Ctrl plus I to make the text italic. And to underline, first of all select and then press Ctrl plus U to underline the text. Yes, it's underlined. And to remove underline, press Ctrl plus U again. To find the text, press Ctrl plus F. You can see a window. Yes, now write the text what you want to find from the file. I just write here, and you can see here available here is highlighted in the Word file. Now physics also highlighted in the Word file and also displaying the number count. To find and replace, press Ctrl plus H. Now find what, put the text what you find, physics, and then it will be replaced with physics smaller to capital. Yes, there are three physics and all three text is made capital. Okay, to create hyperlink, press Ctrl plus K. First of all, select the text and right click or press Ctrl plus K. Yes, this is the insert hyperlink, and in this hyperlink you just select the file. Now I just select a file from the desktop, click OK. Hyperlink is created. If you click on the hyperlink, you will redirect to the image what you just selected. Okay, this is the image what you selected in the hyperlink. Press Int key to move the cursor to ending of the line. Yes, and press Home key to move the cursor to starting of the line. And now press Ctrl plus Home key to move the cursor to starting of the content, and press Ctrl plus Int key to move the cursor to ending of the. If you understand it well, thanks for watching this tutorial.